Let us understand the step-by-step process of create a TDS payment entry in StrategicERP. Navigate to the TDS payment form under the Statutory Management module. Select the name of company and project name from the drop-down. Select the date of payment. Select the month and year of the TDS payment. The start date and end date will auto-populate based on your selection. Select the TDS payment. The TDS payment category will auto-populate based on your selection. Select the type of payment. Details under the TDS Entries tab will auto-populate based on the TDS payment type. Under the TDS Entries tab, you can check and review details such as the principal amount, TDS rate, TDS amount, and company type. You can modify the current paid amount if a partial payment is required. Based on this, you can view the total payable and total paid amounts. Under the Bank Details tab, pay from project and bank or cash account name. Enter the BSR code, challan check number, challan CIN number and challan serial number. You can upload the acknowledgement receipt of payment if applicable. Save the data so it will be stored in the draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of creating a TDS payment entry is now complete.